Hey, it's Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Today we're here to talk about preventative maintenance during the winter months. Test your battery. Battery power drops as the temperature drops. If you cannot have it tested, Horne will do it for free. Make sure the cooling system is in good working order. If you're not getting heat through your vents, chances are you have a heater core problem. Have winter tires with a deeper, more flexible tread put on your car. If using all-season tires, check the tread on your tires and replace if less than 3/32 of an inch. Check the tire pressure. Tire pressure drops as the temperature drops. Check your wiper blades and replace if needed. Add windshield washer fluid rated for -30 degrees. Keep your fuel tank at least half full to avoid fuel line freeze. Check your oil and make sure that levels are proper. Try a synthetic blend. Synthetic blends consist of synthetic oil coupled with naturally occurring conventional oil. The benefits of synthetic oil make it flow free at low temperatures and doesn't require any time to warm up, providing crucial and immediate protection of the engine's moving parts. Clean your car's external camera lens and side view mirrors so you'll be able to see what's going on around you. Remove dirt, ice, and snow from the sensors to allow the driver assist features like automatic emergency braking to work. In frigid weather, you may want to warm up your car before you drive. To prevent carbon monoxide poisoning, never leave a vehicle running in your garage, even with the garage door up. Thank you for watching. This is Trevor again at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Be sure if you have any questions, you set up an appointment at horneauto.com.